Pro tip from PGA today is changing your furnace filter. It's very often that we get calls to come to a home where the airflow is low and find out the furnace filter hasn't been changed. So you find your furnace filter. It's going to be located between the furnace and your return air. You can see here that there's going to be a size on the side of the furnace, inside of the filter. There's the dimension of your filter. You can go to any hardware store in town, Menards, Home Depot, wherever, and get a find a furnace filter of your choice. Once you get your new filter, you place it back in your furnace with the arrow facing towards the furnace. Doing that will save your furnace a lot of life, and it'll be much cleaner in your home.